we're at the end of the CUSTOMISE module of our GA4 Immersion training course, and now it's time for you to have a go. Over the last couple of videos, we looked at how we can customize the reports workspace, how we can customize the detail reports, the overview reports, and even the navigation itself using the reporting library. So now I want you to have a go. Start customizing some detail reports and overview reports. Create some from scratch if you like using the library, or just edit the existing ones. Then go into the library and create yourself a brand new collection or edit an existing collection to make it a bit more useful for what you're after, for what your organization needs and the events that you're tracking. If you don't have admin access to GA4, I appreciate that it's not going to be possible for you to do this exercise, but maybe think about how you might customize the interface if you could. How could you change what you see when you log into Google Analytics 4 to make it more useful for the property? Maybe you create a subsection for the iOS and Android apps. Maybe you create a topic within a collection for specific SEO or paid media campaign reports. The options are endless, but remember, what we're doing in here is visible by everyone. Everything we change within the reports navigation in the library, whether we change the detail or overview reports, it's a global setting, so anyone logging into GA4 will be able to see these changes. Enjoy having a play with these features. This is the kind of thing that can make Google Analytics 100 times more valuable to you. Remove the stuff you don't need, add additional things that you do need, and save you time ultimately whenever you go into Google Analytics without having to read between the lines or remembering where to navigate and ignoring a bunch of other reports. You can streamline the experience. Thanks for watching. That's the end of this module. I hope you enjoy using this feature, and I'll catch you in the next one.